started coming out to the basic school in November 2022, and by January I already noticed that there's limited things for the children to play on, and this broken swing, they really insisted on playing on it. So I thought maybe having it repair would be possible so they can actually have a real swing. As you can see that there was only one of them that was still partially working, so it was quite high, so I had to hold them up while they swung. And after a while everyone wanted to do it, and the teachers thought it wasn't safe, so they put it out of order altogether. So within a few months of fundraising, we gained enough money to be able to repair it. We were able to get some materials delivered, sand, as well as wood or board for the seat, and some paint to paint it. And we used people in the community. Super Plus, who is someone who comes and does a lot of handiwork at the school. He was one to help to spread the sand and clear the area for the swing. And Keisha, she does painting, so she was able to do painting of the swing. So it came together. It took time, but it came together for the start of the school year 2023 to 2024. The kids, of course, are delighted. That's one of their biggest treats, to be able to play on the swing. But because of their size, of course, they always need some kind of supervision. So whether myself or an adult, maybe a parent, normally goes out with them to help them to swing, and also to learn how to share the swing, because the reality is there are 80 children and there are 3 swings, so it is quite popular and in much demand. So I just wanted to share the story of the coming together of this swing, and the next project is a seesaw. I'll keep you posted. Thank you so much to all the donors who made this possible for the children, so they have more play options, and also know that they're worth it and they're loved, even by people that they don't know or see. Thank you. Thank you. You want to say thank you to people who make you have a swing today?
Yes.
I want to say thank you.
Thank you.
You want to say thank you to them?
Yes.
Say it. Thank you. Yes,
Push
thank you,
it
Jamila.
harder. Mommy, push up my ear.
This is Haley. She learned how to swing all by herself. Okay, today they're in plain clothes because today is parent day, so they come with their parent and they're having a little activity inside. I just came out with Haley and Emily to play on the swing. So Emily learned how to swing by herself, and now she's like a professional. She can go very high. Look on her. And she even teaches other children how to swing. Beautiful.